Elon Musk, the man who wants to colonize Mars, electrify the world, and maybe even merge your brain with AI. But what if I told you there is something he created long before Tesla and SpaceX? Something hardly anyone knows about. Stick around till the end to hear this secret from his teenage years. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation, ambition, and controversy. But behind the fame lies a journey filled with bold dreams, brutal failures, and relentless perseverance. Here's a look at the roller coaster life of the most polarizing visionaries of our time. Born in June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa, Elon was a quiet, introverted kid who loved reading and computers. At a just age of 12 years, he coded a video game and called Blaster and sold it for $500. Who would do this? But life wasn't easy. He was bullied in school, sometimes violently, and had a distant relationship with his father, whom he later called a terrible human being. At 17, Musk moved to Canada to avoid military services and get closer to the US. He attended Queen's University before transferring to the University of Pennsylvania, where he studied physics and economics. In 1995, Musk dropped out of PhD program at Stanford just after 2 days, and he launched his first startup, Zip2, with his brother Kimball. Struggle was like slept in the office, showered at YMCA, and lived on minimal food. Success was sold to Compaq for $307 million in 1999. Elon made $22 million out of it. Next, he founded X.com, an online banking startup. A year later, it merged with a rival company to form PayPal. Now, there was a downfall. Musk was ousted as CEO due to the leadership conflicts. How he raised in that. PayPal was sold to eBay for $1.5 million in 2002. Musk earned $180 million. In 2002, Musk founded SpaceX with a dream to colonize Mars. Everyone thought he was crazy. Again, the downfall. 3 failed rocket launches between 2006 to 2008. Nearly he went bankrupt. Again, he rose like a phoenix. In 2008, the 4th rocket launch was success.
Building on the history of Saturn V Apollo.
NASA awarded SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract. Now, Tesla Motors. As I said, he was not the person who to just sit and relax and chill. Tesla, it was presented in 2004. Musk joined Tesla as a chairman, later became CEO. Now again the downfall there. 2008, Tesla was one of the brink of collapse. Critics doubted electric cars, faced production delays, lawsuit and personal stress. How did he reason that? 2012, Model S launched. That was a game changer. Tesla became the most valuable car company in the world by 2020. Musk became the world's richest man briefly in 2021 and again later. Now let's know about his other ventures. Solar City, 2006. Solar energy company later merged with Tesla. The Boring Company, 2016, aims to fix traffic with underground tunnels. Now Neuralink in 2016, brain-computer interface startup. OpenAI co-founder 2015, though he later distanced himself. Now let's talk about the most controversial one, that is Twitter or X, which he conquered in 2022. Bought Twitter for $44 million in 2022, massive layout policy changes, rebranding to X. Faced backlash over misinformation, moderation issues, and declining and revenue. Now let's talk about his personal struggles. Multiple divorces, custody battle, public meltdown on social media. He was criticized for harsh work demands and erratic behavior. Publicly smoking weed on a podcast affecting Tesla's stock temporarily. He was such a badass. Now 2025. Still pushing AI, Mars colonization and clean energy worth over $200 billion. God. Seen as a genius by some, reckless by others, but no one can ignore his impact. Now let me tell you the bonus fact which probably you haven't seen in any video or you wouldn't know. The secret will be revealed right now. Here is the secret I promised you. Long before he became the world's richest man, Elon Musk wrote a full science fiction novel as a teenager in South Africa. It was never published, but it featured political warfare in space and hinted at many of the obsessions he did chase later in life, like Mars colonization. Only close family ever read it. To this day, he keeps it private. But maybe, just maybe, his entire future was written in those early pages. Now, this is what I call manifestation. Oh, we all should have a manifestation like Elon Musk. Genius, madman, dreamer, Elon Musk's story is still being written, but the first chapter is started way earlier than we all thought. What do you think about Elon Musk's story and whose story you would want to listen next? Do let me know in the comment section. Meet you in the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe.